Hello everyone, my name is Michael McWilliams, and this is my lifelong learning journey presentation. Today, I'll be sharing my personal, academic, and professional goals and how I plan to reach them as part of my lifelong learning process. My first area is personal learning goals. One goal is to maintain long-term fitness and balance. I want to learn how to create sustainable health routines through lifting, running, and exploring new activities such as jiu-jitsu or boxing. Fitness is important because it helps me stay disciplined and mentally strong. To get there, I'll rely on coaches, online programs, and my commitment to the gym. Challenges like time management and injuries could get in the way, but consistency, stretching, and flexibility will help overcome these challenges. The artifact that I've chosen is a photo of someone finishing a marathon because it represents a goal I want to achieve and that it takes a lot of perseverance to finish off that goal. My second personal goal is to grow through travel and cultural experiences. I want to learn from exposure to different cultures, which builds adaptability and perspective. The steps include saving money, planning trips, and connecting with others that are traveling. Obstacles such as finances and scheduling can be tough, but as long as I budget and carefully plan out the trips, this will definitely alleviate that problem. The artifact that I chose is a plane ticket to Japan because Japan is a dream destination of mine and I hope to go there soon. Academically, my first goal is to strengthen my advanced finance skills by completing the Bloomberg certification. This certification is important to me because it gives me a practical knowledge and credibility that employers in finance value. To achieve this, I'll continue studying in the Bloomberg terminal, reviewing practice modules, and applying what I learned in my finance courses. My professors, peers, and the Bloomberg resources will guide me to achieve this. The biggest obstacle is balancing this with my other coursework, but setting aside consistent study time will help. The artifact that I chose is the Bloomberg certification completion photo, which represents the milestone of building these advanced skills. My second goal is to continue improving my communication and presentation skills and to master public speaking. I know that being able to explain ideas clearly and confidently is just as important as technical knowledge in the business world. To work on this, I'll practice in class, take every opportunity to present, and seek feedback from my peers and instructors. I also plan to record myself to reflect and improve personally. My main challenges are nerves and wanting everything to be perfect, but practice and preparation will help push me past that point. For this goal, my artifact is a public speaking photo because it represents the confidence and perseverance I want to achieve. Now moving on to my career and professional goals. My first professional goal is to connect directly to my future right after graduation. The first thing I need to do is secure a role in finance, consulting, or banking. I want to improve my networking and interviewing skills so I can be successful in this competitive field. My steps will include applying to jobs, practicing interviews, and reaching out to mentors and alumni for extra support. Resources I can use are career services and LinkedIn. Rejection will happen, but persistence will help me overcome this. The artifact that I have selected is a photo of my resume because it represents the key tool I'll be using to launch my career and present myself to employers. Now moving on, my second professional goal is to develop my entrepreneurial venture. I want to learn how to scale a business, pitch to investors, and validate the model with customers. Steps include refining the business plan, working with mentors, and testing it in competition. Resources such as peers and the McGuire Center for Entrepreneurship will be very helpful in this. Roadblocks like funding and time will be a major challenge, but persistence and creativity will help. The artifact that I have chosen is a ribbon cutting ceremony to symbolize the moment that my idea will turn into my actual business. To wrap up, my journey includes personal, academic, and professional goals. For me, lifelong learning means being intentional about growth even after graduation. By setting these goals now, I can hold myself accountable to keep learning through every challenge and opportunity that lays ahead. Thank you for listening and have a great day.